In modern warfare, precision strikes often matter more than sheer firepower. One missile that has become a symbol of accuracy and lethality is the Hellfire missile. Today, we analyze how powerful this missile is, and what kind of threat it could pose to Iran. Package begins. The AGM-114 Hellfire missile is a US-made, air-to-ground, precision-guided weapon. It is widely used by attack helicopters, armed drones, and fighter aircraft, and has played a major role in conflicts across the Middle East. What makes the Hellfire missile especially dangerous is its combination of advanced guidance systems and high penetration capability. Depending on the variant, it uses laser guidance, radar guidance, or fire-and-forget technology, allowing it to strike targets with extreme accuracy. The missile has an effective range of approximately 8 to 11 kilometers and is specifically designed to destroy main battle tanks, armored vehicles, bunkers, and fortified positions. Its warhead can penetrate heavy armor before detonating, causing devastating internal damage. Analysis segment. So, how does the Hellfire missile affect Iran's security landscape? Iran's military strength relies heavily on Black Small Square armored units, Black Small Square mobile missile launchers, Black Small Square forward military bases and command centers. In a potential conflict scenario, Hellfire missiles could be used to neutralize high-value targets with minimal collateral damage. When launched from unmanned aerial vehicles, the threat becomes even more serious. Armed drones can loiter for long periods and strike suddenly, making detection and interception difficult. This capability could challenge Iran's ground forces, particularly near borders or in regional proxy zones. However, the picture is not one-sided. Iran possesses Shield Advanced Air Defense Systems, Shield Electronic Warfare Capabilities, Shield Layered Radar Networks. These defenses can reduce the effectiveness of Hellfire missile strikes, especially in heavily protected areas. As a result, the missile alone cannot determine the outcome of a large-scale conflict.